okwenza ukuthi kube le gender based violence these days, one, the economy. People, abantu are stressed. Some are suffering from depression, but because of our African society, our African culture, if I have to say, people, umfazi uthiwa qina njengomfazi, qina njengendoda, but we don't really know that sometimes when it comes to mental issues, there's no kuqina. People want help, but they don't know where to turn to. So sometimes they outlet on the loved ones that are near. They bring out their stress through violence in their families. Uvele emsebenzini ule stress yokuthi akabhalansanga, uboss bemshawuta besithini, he lets that out to the woman he loves because he doesn't know where to release. And thina njengabantu abamnyama, we don't believe in therapy, in counseling. It's not really that thing. Even counseling, we don't believe in counseling within our families. When you are counseled, you are told, qina njengomfazi. Nobody really helps you to go through those emotions. Ungachaya indoda kuthiwa amadoda anjani. We make it standard, which is not really a standard. The second thing is, we come from broken families. Abanengi, they come from broken families, which is very sad. When they come from broken families, they don't really know what a full family is. So they don't really know how to connect with the other party because they've never seen their partner, their father or their mother connect with their mother or with their father. They don't really have that image within themselves. So they don't really know how to act, how to behave, how to resolve conflict within a family. Because they've never seen their parents do that. They always see their parents going back and forth. They know that violent outburst. They don't even know how to communicate. Can you really buy this? In a nice way. Or finding easier channels to deal with things. They don't even know how to do that. Kuyalungiseka if we hamba at a level from the family. Charity begins at home. Not only charity, a lot of things come from home. When a person grows up, they actually take some of the traits from their parents, from their relatives. So if Tina, njengama parents, if we just quitting a marriage for silly reasons, it will actually go on to the child. You call it libona sometimes